Hi, welcome to the Garagu Garag YouTube channel. This is Chandrakant Garag. So now today we can discuss the linear equations in one variable, that is exercise number 2.4. In this 2.4, first question is that Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result. 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Here, in so many class, I explained that whenever before going to solve the words problem, you should first analyze the question. Amina thinks of a number. So Amina thinks of a number. So that is x. And subtract 5 by 2 from it. So this is x minus 5 by 2. So very simple. When you should analyze, when you are analyzing the question, so that time only half of the answers will get it. Subtract 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result, whatever this difference you will get it. Na? So multiply the result by 8. Multiply the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number. Same number means what here? That is original number x. So that is only same number she thought of. So what is the number? So now step by step we may discuss the answer here. So how it will come? First one, let the required number be x. I already told that she think a number. So that number is only x. And here conditions, these all are the conditions. First condition is that subtract 5 by 2 from it. X minus 5 by 2. Subtract from it. So this is first condition. Second condition, and multiply it. Here, see here. It's there. 8. So 8 is there. Multiply 8 by this difference. And third condition says that this whatever this product you will get it now. So this difference and this number multiply 8 after getting this product, this is equal to the 3 times of original number. So this is 3 times of original number, and this is the required equation. Using this equation you may find out the value of x. So x is what here? Required number. So now here using this equation, 8 take inside here. So 8 you should take inside. So that is 8 into x is 8x, and 8 into 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 multiplied by 8 equal to 3x as it is. Means solving the bracket. So now here 2 ones are and 2 how much? That is right, 4s are. So 2 4s are and 5 4s are 20. 8x minus 20 equal to 3x. So now here to solve the linear equation, so means basic steps what? So what is there? One side make it variable, another side constant. In the same way, 3x shift this side and minus 20 will come here. Minus 20 will become plus 20, and this plus 3x will become minus 3x. So 8x minus 3x equal to 5x, and this 20 as it is. So now here this is a transposing 3x to LHS and 20 RHS. So that's only I said it here. Here minus 20, if you are shifting this side, it will become plus 20, and this plus 3x will become minus 3x. And now multiplied by 5x. So 5 into x is there. 5 multiplied by x. So 5 sent this side. It will become what? What? Divided by. Yes. So 20 divided by 5. So 20 divided by 5 is how much? 5 ones are, 5 fours are. So 5 fours are. So 4 we got it, transposing 5 to RHS. And whatever the reasons are there, these all reasons you should mention in bracket. So now, and x equal to 4. X means what it here? So this is only required number. So thus x equal to 4 is the required number. So that number we got it. So Amina thinks this number only. Which number? 4. Yes. So here required number is what? X equal to 4. This is the required solution. Shall we move next question? Second one. A positive number is 5 times the another number. Very simple. Whenever before going to solve the words problem, should remember what? What? Analyzing the question. Yes, obviously. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other number. What are the numbers? Here they asked both the numbers. Now step by step shall we solve this? Okay. Let the numbers be x and 5x. 5x, why I took here? They said here a positive number is 5 times another number. So this is the one number. And this 5 times is how much? 5x. 5x. So this is according to the question. And next, according to the question, what is the equation? 21 added to both the side. So this is the one number and this is another number. 21 added both the side plus 21 and here plus 21. And next to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other number. So twice the other number, see, twice means 2 more. Remember the difference between 2 more and twice. 2 times is a different, 2 more is a different. If I said that 2 more, so 2 more means what? Addition plus 2. 2 more it is. 2 more. And 2 times, if I say 2 times, then multiplied by 2x, it is a 2x or 2 multiplied by x. This is 2 times. This is 2 times and this is 2 more. Yes? So see the difference. These are very, very important actually. Now here, these are the basic numbers 5x and x, and add 21 both the sides. When you are adding 21 both the sides, this new number will become twice of this number. So twice of this number. Twice means 2 multiplied by. Yes, this is the required equation. Next step, just take here 2 inside. That is 2 into x is 2x and 2 into 21. And remember, most of the students in hurry-burry, what they will do? They will multiply by only 2x. They cannot, they are not thinking, they are not think at all to multiply 21. Directly they will multiply x and they have forgot to multiply the 21. So whenever if you are taking this plus 2 inside, which sign? Plus 2 inside, you have to multiply by x also and 21 also. So 2 into x is 2x and 2 into 21 is 42. 21 2s are 42. Next, here one side make variable, another side constant. As simple. Here 2x send this side and 21 send this side. Remember this transposing method. So transposing 2x to LHS and 21 to RHS. We obtained here 5x minus 2x equal to 42. This plus 21 will become minus 21. 5x minus 2x is 3x and 42 minus 21 is 21. Next, dividing. Here, why you people, why I am using transposing method only? One more method is there na? Balance both the side. Yes, yes, that is one more method. You can use whichever method in between. Both the methods are correct. Here I am using balancing method. Dividing both the sides by 3. Both the sides by 3 here. So this is divide by 3, both the side. Always you should do that. Whatever you are taking now, both the side you should take it. Divide by 3, divide by 3. So now this is 3 ones are and this is 3 what? 3 sevens are. Yes, this 3 get cancelled. Here 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are get cancelled and 3 ones are 3 sevens are. Dividing both the side by 3 we obtained as x equal to 3. Sorry, x equal to 7. So x equal to 7 we got it. X equal to 7 is one number. Another number is there. So another number what it is? That is 5x. Good. 5x. 5 into x means what? X means 7. So 5 sevens are 35. These are the numbers. Which are the numbers? 7 and 35. Hence the numbers are 7 and 35 respect. Whatever the question is there now. So that required solution it is. Third question. Here, third question says that, wait. sum of the digits. So sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. Sum of the digits of two-digit number is 9. Two-digit number is 9. Sum of the digits, you know that if I am writing the number, that is a 45. Example, no, this is not the answer. Don't think as the answer it is. This is not the answer. This is a number. This is a number. In that number, digit. So this is 4 is one digit, 5 is another digit. 4 and 5. So sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. And when we interchange the digits, 4 will come here, 5 will come here, interchange the digits. It is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. When you are interchanging, so that time that new number will get it. So new number means here, this is a 54. So this 54 new number you will get it. This is just example, boys. This is not the actual answer. This is just example. And original number here, this is more than this. How much? 27. See, is it a 27? Here the so answer is different only. Here this condition, this question number third condition is, that is original number by 27. What is this two-digit number? They ask the question. Very interesting, na? Yes. And one more thing, like these questions are very, very important in competitive exam. Most of the competitive exam, they will ask like this question. So when, and you know that most of the competitive exams are based on, most of the concepts are covered in 8th, 9th, 10th CBSE, that is NCERT solution only. NCERT textbook, whatever the portion is there, na, based on that only they will pick up the questions. Same here, these concepts you should remember. Now, step by step. And one more thing, remember, whenever in any question, in any type of question, if they given as a two-digit number, always you should write the number in expansion form. Expansion form. So you are thinking, na, what is expansion form? In 5th and 4th standard already we learn. So what is expansion form? Expansion. This is tens place. This is unit place. How to expand? Digit multiplied by tens place. Tens place is 10. 10 and plus 5 is unit place number. 5 and multiplied by how much? How much it is? 1. Obviously unit place is 1. That is a 1. And if 100 place number is there, then multiplied by how much? 100. Obviously, right answer. So now, step by step, here I will write the answer. First step, let the digits at 10 place and 1 place be x and 9 minus x. You people are getting confusion, na? Why I took 9 minus x? I will take one example here. Here, two-digit number is there. One digit is 6. Just assume, na? Two-digit number. One digit is 6. One digit is 6 and unit place number how much is there I also don't know, but I will give you one condition. So what I will give condition, if you are adding this digit 6 and here what is the digit is there now, adding these two you will get sum as a 10. Are you think which digit will be there here? Think. Yes, 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 equal to 10. So 4, obviously here it's a 4. But how to find this? Very simple. Take this sum. 10 minus this digit. 6. How much? 4. You will get 4. This is unit place. This is a 4. In the same way, same condition you have to use to solve it here. Here, in the place of 6, x is there. In the place of x, here 6x is there, and sum is 9. Sum is 9 is there. Sum is 9. And how to find out the second digit? Very simple. In the tens place, write it 9. Sum 9 is sum, that is 9, minus in the 6 that digit is there. What is? X. Good. X is there. 9 minus x is the second digit. Here we show, so we don't know the x only, first digit only we don't know. So that's why you should write 9 minus x. 9 minus x is, now this is, let the digits at tens place and 1 place, x and 9 minus x respectively. Second one, therefore the original number, I already said that number you should write in expansion form. Number you should write in expansion form. In a tenth place, which digit is there? Which variable or which digit is there? X is there. X. 10 into x plus. And this is 9 minus x. 8 place. So multiplied by 1. Anything multiplied by 1, how much you will get? Number itself. What it is? Just recall. In rational number, we discussed this. Multiplied by 1. What it is? What? That is a multiplicative identity. Yes, a number itself. 9 minus x into 1 equal to 9 minus x only. Now, just open the bracket. This is 10x here, 10x, and what you will get? And this is plus here, plus 9, and this is minus x. Yes, 10x plus 9 minus x. See here, these two are the like variables. Like variables can add and subtract. Like variables can add and subtract. So 10x minus x is how much? Good. Very good. That is a 9x. 9x plus 9. 9x plus 9. Next one more condition is there. What is the condition? Very simple. On interchange the digits. On interchange the digits. Interchange. They said interchange. So that time in a ones place x and in a tens place 9 minus x. Interchange. This should be interchange. So thereafter new number after interchanging the digits. So that is 10 into 9 minus x. See here. See here in the tens place x is there. But here in tens place 9 minus x is there. Here tens place x is there. Here tens place 9 minus x is there. And interchange this. 9 minus x into 10 plus x. So here 10 take inside. 10 into 9 is 90. 10 9s are 90. Minus 10 into x is 10x. And this plus x as it is. So I already said that these two are the like variables. Like variables. So here sign are opposite. What we should do? Sign are opposite. Good. Subtraction. 10x minus 9x is, 10x minus 1x is 9x. And a greater number sign. What is the greater number? 10 is a greater number. That sign is minus. What you will get? 90 minus 9x. And next condition is what? This is a greater 27. New number is greater 27. According to the given question, new number equal to original number plus 27. Original number plus 27. That time these two are the equal. So write it that 90 minus 9x, this is a new number equal to original number is what? Original number is 9x plus 9 and plus 27. This is the required equation. Very simple, na? Yes. So now solve this equation. So here 90 minus 9x equal to 9x plus, so this is plus, both the sign are same. If both the sign are plus plus, then do the addition. Yes. Then do the addition. And which sign we have to write? Plus only. Yes. And if the sign are minus minus, if both the sign are minus minus, and add it and sign, so which one we should write? If minus minus are there, minus only you should write. Add and minus sign. Same way plus plus, so added these two, 36 and plus. And next step is what? What? Same. One side make it a variable, another side constant. This 9x, send it to the, here transposing 9x to RHS and 36 to the LHS. Or you can send like this also. This minus so send it here, and this one send it here. Only thing is that one side make it variable, another side constant. One side make it a variable, another side constant. Now this 9x, this minus 9x will become what? Plus 9x. Already 9x is here and plus 9x. So this is a plus 9x. Good. This minus 9x will become plus 9x. 9x plus 9x is how much? 18x. And this plus 36 will become minus 36. 90 minus 36 is 54. 54 and 18x. 54 equal to 18x. And what it is here? By balancing, by transposing. Whichever you can use. Here I am using balancing. So this 18 we don't want. This 18 we don't want means this is multiplied by 18 is there. Then what extra we should take? Divided by 18. Good. Divided by 18, both the side. 54 by 18 and 18x by 18. This 18 ones are and this 18 ones are. And here 18 ones are, 18 threes are. So x equal to how much we got? X equal to 3. X equal to 3. X is a one digit and one more digit is what? 9 minus x. Good. 9 minus x. Just substitute here. So 9 minus x. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is how much? Obviously it's a 6. Yes. 6. So now what they ask the question? What is the two-digit number? What is the two-digit number they asked? So one is x in the place of x3 is there and 9 minus x place is 6 is there. Hence the digit at tens place and one place of the number are 3 and 6 respectively. 3 and 6. See here, tens place and ones place. In tens place 3 is there and tens ones place 6 is there. And what is the number? Yes, 36. Okay. Now, therefore, the two-digit number 9x plus 9, that is 9 into 3 plus 9 equal to 36. This one only. Hence, the original number. See here. Original number 9x plus 9. 9x plus 9. Just substitute here. 9 into 3, that is here 27. 9 into 3 is 27 plus 9 is how much? 36. Respective number, original number is 36. Yes? Okay. Shall we move next example? Okay. Fourth one. So fourth example means fourth question. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digit of this two-digit number is, so that is, and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? Yes, this example is also very, very simple. Why you know that? It is similar to last example. Similar to, as it is how we solved na similar. So last example means third example, same as it is. So like this example, whenever if you are solving two things, you should remember. Here, always you should write the number in expansion form. Always. So always you should write the number in expansion form. Step by step, shall we discuss this? Okay. Let the digits at tens place here. Let the digits at 10 place and 1 place be x and 3x respectively. Why I took x and 3x? They said here, one of the two-digit number is there. Of two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. 3 times the other digit. This is one digit. 3 times. Not 3 more. 3 times. 3 more means plus 3. 3 times means multiplied by 3. Therefore, the original number is, I said, always you should write the number in expansion form. I wrote the number in expansion form. This is tens place. This is unit place. This is tens place. This is unit place. So, 10 place number, 10 into x. 10 into x. 10 why? This is the 10th place multiplied by 10. If it is 100 places there, then how much how to multiply? Multiplied by 100. If it is 1000 place, multiplied by 1000. Here tens place. X is the tens place. So 10 into x, 10x, and this is unit place 3x. And see the difference between last example and this example. So I added here both these two terms I added. Why I done like this? Because these two are the like variables. These two examples are means these two are the like variables. That's why I done addition. 10x plus 3x. 10x plus 3x equal to 13x. How much? 10x plus 3x equal to 13x. So this is the first number only, first original number only. I added here. Here there is no constant remained. So that's why I'm not keeping as it is. I done addition because these two are the terms. And so which type of a term? Like term. Good. These two are the like terms. Now on interchanging the digits. Don't interchange 13 and x. Interchanging the digits means here you should interchange. X will come here, 3x will come here. And number how to write? How to write the number? Yes, obviously in a expansion form. Expansion form. The digits at one place and 10 place will be x and 3x respectively. Now interchanging the 3x will come here, x will go here. 10 into 3x, here x. X multiplied by 1, multiplied by 1. It's not necessary to write it all every time. Okay, it's understood, default it is. So 10 into 3x is 30x. And this x as it is. 30x plus 1x. 30x plus 1x is 31x. Good. Same, like variables. These two, this is the 30x plus 1x is 31x. And this is 13x. This is 13x. So these two are the numbers. These two are the numbers. Second condition is what? When you are doing sum, good. When you are doing sum, how much you will get? 88. According to the given equation, original number plus new number equal to 88. 88. And 13x plus 31x is 88. Now add it. Why I should add? Because these two are the like variables. Here like terms are there. 13x plus 31x equal to how much? 44x equal to 88. Now send this 44 or one more method I said. Which method I said? By balancing method. So shall I do balancing method? Yes. Divide by 44 on both the side. Divide by 44 on both the side. Whichever you can transpose the 44 this side, that is also correct, or divide both the side by 44, that is also correct. Now 44x divided by 44, 88 divided by 44 here. So how much you will get it then? Very simple. This is 44x divided by 44 and equal to how much it is? 88. 88 and divide by 44. Very simple. This is 44 and 44 get cancelled. 44 ones and 44 ones and 44 ones 44 twos 44 twos. What is remained here? This side. This side remained x. This side remained 2. This side remained x. Here remained 2. X equal to 2 we got it. But one more digit is what? One more digit is obviously 3x. Therefore, the original number. They asked here, original number. Original number is what? 13x. 13x. So, 13 into, substitute in the place of x value, 2 you have to substitute. So, 13 into 2, that is 26. Yes, they asked here, what is the original number they asked? So, 13 into 2 is, so that is 26. Yes. And one more way is there. You can take like this also. This is the original number and this is the new number. Like this also you may solve it. Both the answers are correct. So here 31 into, so how much you will get? Same that only. Here 2 only you will get. That is a 62. Reversing. So reversing. So that is 62 or 26 both. So this is a 26 is a original number. By considering the tens place and one place as 3x and x respectively, the two-digit number is obtained is what? 62. Good. 62. I already said na. So you may, if you are taking 26 as a starting, this one only original number, then original number you will get it as a 26. Or if you are taking this one as the original number, then 62 starting you will get, next number is 26 you will get. Both the answers are correct. Don't bother about this. Okay. I hope you all are understanding this one. Understood? So understanding also further examples. Very simple, na? Like this words example, you should solve with analyzing. Analyze the concept first. Based on analysis only. Yes? Fifth example means fifth question. Here, therefore, the two-digit number may be 26 or 62, whichever. 26 or 62. Fifth one. Fifth one, this example is related to what? Age related example. Good. You most of the people so you've seen so many newspaper in competitive exam they will give na age example is very interesting example, very interesting examples, and also very important examples, very interesting and very important. So now Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times the Shobo's present age. This is the Shobo's mother's present age, and this is Shobo's present age. They given the condition here, mother age and her age. Here Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of this mother's present age. Listen here, Shobo's age 5 years from now. 5 years from now means what? Plus 5. Remember, before means minus, plus 5. And what are the present age? Their present age you should discuss. Must find out the present age. Very simple actually. Step by step we know the answer. Here, let Shobo's age be X years. Starting, just you have to think which one we should take first. That is Shobo's present age. Shobo's present age is X years. Therefore, his mother age will be 6 into X. They said 6 times. Remember the word 6 times. 6 more is the different. 6 times is the different. 6 times. So that is a mother age is 6 years. 6 into X. 6x years. According to the given equation. So based on this equation, after 5 years, Shobo's age. After 5 years, Shobo's age. After 5 years. But they 1/3. 1/3. How you were reading the fraction? 1 by 3. 1/3. And 1/4 how to write? 1 by 4. 1/4. Yes, na? 1/3. 1/3 of present age. 1 by 3 multiplied by present age. 1 by 3 multiplied by present age. So this is the condition. So according to the given equation. Here after 5 years means already I said. After 5 years means plus 5. Plus 5. So plus 5 here. And here why I have not added here plus 5? They said present age. Good. So read this what we took. Let's Shobo's age be X years. This is the present age. This and this is the present age. X and 6x. And after 5 years, Shobo's after 5 years is X plus 5. And that time, her Shobo's after 5 years age is equal to the 1/3 of Shobo's present age. Mother, Shobo's mother present age. Shobo's mother present age is what? 6x. 1/3. So 1/3 of this. So 1/3 of this means 6x divided by 3. Yes. Now here it get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. X plus 5 equal to 2 into x is what? 2x. Yes. X plus 5 equal to 2x. Now one side make a variable, another side constant. Very simple. These all you should remember whenever it may be one variable equation or it may be two variable equation. This chapter continue part is there in 9th standard, 9th and 10th standard. Two variables. Two variables. So these are the basic steps. One side make a variable means variable term, another side constant term. Here transposing x to RHS or 2x to LHS, whatever. X I am transposing this x to RHS. RHS, you know that. What RHS? Right hand side, not Hrithik Roshan. Okay, not Hrithik Roshan. It's a right hand side. Okay. Uh, if you are shifting x this side, it will become minus x. So phi is as it is. Phi equal to 2x minus x. So these are the like terms. 2x minus x is what? X equal to phi, or phi equal to ax. So what we took x as a? X as a Shoboz's percentage. What they asked here question. What are their percentage? Both the age. So Shoboz's age we got it. And what is her mother age? That is 6x. Multiply there. 6 into x. X is what? 5. 6 5 is 30. So her mother age is 30 years and her age is what? 5 years. Therefore, the present ages of Shobo and Shobo's mothers will be 5 years and 30 years respect proper way. And very important. Most of these examples, like these examples will last in competitive exam. So others exams it will last. So that's why now only you should learn it properly. Okay. So next example. Next example, sixth one. Sixth one example is also very simple. Just I'm good. So good to read out this. There is a narrow rectangular plot. One plot is there. Which shape it is? Rectangular. Rectangular. What is the properties of? What are the property of rectangular? Opposite sides are equal and all angles are equal. So what is that angle? Each angle is a right angle. Right angle means how much? 90 degree. Obviously it's a 90 degree. So that's called as right angle. And result for a school in a Mahuli village. So Mahuli village it is. Mahuli village. The length here, the length and the breadth of the plot are in the ratio of, that is a 11 is to 4. Length and breadth they given. So what is the ratio here? The ratio is 11 is to 4. The ratio is 11 is to 4 at the rate, and afterwards at the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat. Village panchayat cost 100 per meter. What? Read here, fence they given. What it mean by fence? Means using metal string to like a compound, So that is the fencing. That's called as a fencing, but it is a metal string. Fence cost the village panchayat, that is 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? Dimensions mean what? Dimensions means measurement. What is the measurement? This length and this breadth. Yes, length and breadth you should find out. Here, step by step we know the examples. We can solve the examples. Let the length and breadth of the plot be 11x meter and 4x meter. Here, maybe you people are getting something new, na? Why sir took x here? Why sir took x here? Because I will tell you secret why I took x here. Here they given as 11 is to 4. 11 is to 4. These are in the ratio. And one property is the ratio. So what is the, before going to give this, some common term it should cancel. Some common term it should cancel. Assume that this is a, what 22 is there, and here it's a 8 is there. Now, if you are rating in this way ratio, it will not correct, because this is a correct only, but you should write in a simplest form. Simplest form. Here some common terms it will get cancelled. 2 11s are and 2 4s are. Yes, this is correct. Now it's not possible to cancel. 11 is to 4. Which term I cancelled here? Common term as a 2 I cancelled. So 2 I cancelled. 2 11s are and 2 4s are here. So 2 11s are and 2 4s are. So 11 is to 4. And here they given ratio form. Here they given the ratio form means some common term they cancelled. What they cancelled, that's we don't know at all. That common term we should take it as a x. So common term what? So common term we should take it as a x. And I took here 2. Don't take it. This is a just for example. So 2 is a just for example. We should take it here x. That common term here like a 11x, like a 4x. Understood now why I took both the side x only? Same you should take because same term only. It may be so it should be same term only. Before going to cancel, it should be same factor. We can say as a factor. 11 twos are and 4 twos are. 2 get cancelled and 11 and 4 are remained. Same term cancel na? 2 2. Same way here x and here also x. The length and breadth of the plot be 11x and 4x meter. So meter you should take. Why I took meter? You know that here they given hint per meter 100 rupees. They given hint here. The unit is meter only. Next, fencing all round. So all around the, so that is perimeter of a rectangular plot. Remember here how much fencing to fence the how much string is needed, that is the perimeter. Obviously that is the perimeter boundary. So boundary is called a perimeter na. Yes. And inner portion, so what we can say, what? Area. Good. So that is the area. This boundary is perimeter and inner portion is area. So that is fencing all round perimeter of a rectangular plot. That is now perimeter of the plot. And you know that here 75,000 divided by 100 I took. Why I took? I will give one smallest example. So can I take another example? Here I went to one shop. Just I am giving a small example. I went to one shop and each chocolate cost is a 2 rupees. Each chocolate cost is a 2 rupees and each meter cost is 100 to fence the plot. Each meter cost is 100. So compared to this, each chocolate cost is a 2 rupees. Each chocolate cost is how much? 2 rupees and each meter cost is 100 rupees. And now I purchased 10 rupees chocolate. How much? Oh God, 10 rupee chocolate. 10 rupee chocolate I purchased. And here, this is a total cost of a chocolate. How many purchased? I don't know. Don't give the answer. We shall calculate that one. 10 rupees. So expended. So to purchase the chocolate, so this much I given to shop owner. That one. And here to fence the how much cost? 75,000. And how many chocolates we don't know. How many chocolates we don't know. How many meter the perimeter is there, that's we don't know. Same. Here perimeter, here number of chocolate. So number of chocolate, how to calculate? This total amount divided by each chocolate amount, per chocolate amount. How much? Total amount divided by per chocolate amount. 2 per chocolate amount. 2 ones are and 2 fives are. Good. How many chocolates? Tell me. I have 5 chocolates. After the class, I will give you 5 chocolates. So 5 chocolates here. Same way. Here total amount divided by per meter. How much amount? Then number of meters you will get. How many meters? 750 meters. This 0 get cancelled. This 0 get cancelled. Then what is remained? 750 meter. And here rupees, here 750 meter. Here also, here rupees is there, here 5 number of chocolate. We can't say this is a 5 rupees number of chocolate. No, 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 no. Only don't write rupees sign here. Only 5. Number of chocolates are 5. Okay. 750 meter, we got it. What is this? This is the perimeter. So this much perimeter is there. Total perimeter. This is rectangular shape plot is there na? Total perimeter. So total perimeter, how much it is there? How much it is? 750. Yes? 750. And what is the length? Already we took here. So that is the length. Length is 11x and this is 4x. Yes, already we took from here, given only it is 11x and 4x. And what is the perimeter formula for rectangle? So 2 bracket length plus breadth. L means length, B means breadth. 2 bracket L plus B equal to 750. Perimeter formula P equal to 2 bracket L plus B. 2 bracket L plus B. Yes, na? Okay. Now, L means what? L means length. How much it is there? 11x. And breadth is how much? 4x. 2 bracket 11x plus 4x equal to 750 meter. 750. And these two are the like terms. S. Okay. Add it. 11x plus 4x is 11x plus 4x is 15x. 15x. So 15x into 2 is 30x. So 30x equal to 750. Now this 30 we don't want. This 30 we don't want at all. So divide by 30 on both the side. Or send this 30 that side. I said both the methods are correct. Transposing method or what? Balancing method. Transposing method. This 30 send this side. Divide by 30. Here this 0 get cancelled. And this 3 ones are here 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. Here 7 is there. How much is remained? 1. That is 15. 3 how much is 15? 3 5s are 3 5s are 15. So this is the total 25. X we got it as 25. X is not any measurement. Measurements are 11x and 4x. 11x and 4x. Substitute in the place of x 25. So that is 11 into 25. That is 275 meter. And breadth is 4x. 4 into 25. 4 into 25 is 100 meter. Breadth is meter. That is the length and breadth we got it. So next example here. So little bit question is very lengthy. So question is very lengthy. So just read it carefully. So carefully you should read the question. So this is 7th question. 7th question. Here Hassan, this is the name of one man. So that is the one man. Hassan buys 2 kinds of a cloth. So this example is totally different. Hassan buys 2 kinds of a cloth materials for school uniform and shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter. Listen, 50 per meter, not total. 50 per meter. And trousers material that costs him rupees 90 per meter. 90 per meter it is. For every 3 meters of the shirt material. For every 3 meters of the shirt material, he buys 2 meters of a trouser. So remember, so what it says, if he buy 3 meters of a shirt means he compulsory should buy 2 meters of a what? 2 meters of the trouser. And he sells the material 12% and 10% profit respectively. Percent means 100 per 100 12 rupees. 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is 36,600. How much treasure material did he buy? So step by step shall we discuss this? Okay. And solution for this question is now here Rate of a shirt material is how much? Rupees 50 per meter. So 50 per meter is shirt material, 50 per meter. And rate of the trouser material 90 per meter. Yes, 90 per meter trouser. And profit on shirt material is how much? 12%. Shirt material and profit on a trouser material is 10%. These things are the given. So given is very important. So given is very important. 12% profit for shirt material and 10% profit for trouser material. Here, next one. Total sale price. So that is rupees. Here, how much? Total sale price is 36,600. 36,600. Since profit on the cost price of shirting material is 12%. Here, total he sells the material 12% and 10% profit, and total sales rate is how much? That is 36,600 rupees total. And therefore sale price of a shirting material equal to, so sale price how much? So cost price plus profit you should add na. Cost price plus profit should, cost price plus profit only. If this is the profit, if I took buy the 10 rupees for one thing 10 rupees I buy, and I need 2 rupees profit, then how much selling price is? 12 plus 2 is 12 rupees I should sell, then only the profit will happen. Same way, sale price of a shirting material, that is the cost price plus cost price of a based on cost price you can calculate the profit percentage. Profit percentage how much? 12%. Cost price, based on cost price they given is shirt material, that is 50 per meter. First we should calculate per meter profit, per meter. So per meter it is, per meter only. If I buy 1 meter, per meter, they said here shirt rate of a shirt material 50 per meter. Per meter you should calculate the sale price of the shirting material per meter. Per meter cost is already we know that. So 50 rupees is a cost price for per meter. Cost price plus this 12% we should calculate. So 12%. 50 cost price multiplied by 12% means what? 12 by 100. You know this one from 5th standard only. 12 by 100. Here, this 0 get cancelled, and 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 twos are, and 2 ones are, and 2 six are 2 six are. 50 plus 6 is how much? 56 rupees. What is it a cost price or a selling price? It's a selling price. Per meter selling price it is. Per meter cost is how much? 50 rupees. Per meter cost per meter selling price. Shirt or a trouser? Shirt, 56. Same way you have to calculate trouser also. So since profit on the cost price of a trouser material is 10%, that trouser you shall calculate now. Per meter you should calculate. So per meter cost of a trouser is how much? 90. So same formula, cost price plus 10% of cost price. Sale price of a trouser material equal to cost price. So cost of a trouser material plus 10% of a cost, that is 90. 90 plus bracket 90 multiplied by 10% means 10 by 100. This 0 and this 0 get cancelled here, and this 0 and this 0 get cancelled. 9 is remained. 90 plus 9 is 99. This is selling price of a trouser. Selling price of a trouser is 99, and selling price of a what? What? Shirt is 56. Okay, and total how much you expended here? 36,600. This is per meter. Per meter cost it is. Per meter selling price. Per meter selling price. Here now Hassan buys 3 meter of a shirt material for every 2 meter. This is the ratio. This is the ratio. 3 meter of a shirt material and 2 meter of a trouser material. This should be ratio. It should keep 2 meter, and here based on that we shall calculate here, and this is the ratio. And how many meters he buyed we don't know, ratio we know. I told that 3:2. This is the ratio is 3:2. He should buy 3:2. Shirt is 3 meter and trouser is 2 meter in this ratio. I already said that ratio they given in a simplest form. Some term they cancelled. Some common term they cancelled. That term what we should take? That is a x. Good. That is we should take it as x. 3x and 2x. 3x meter is a shirting and 2x meter is a trouser. Why I took x we know that. Understood na? Here ratio they given 3:2. So that's why 3x and 2x. Total sale price is equal to the total sale price of a shirt material, total sale price of a trouser material. 36,600 equal to, how to calculate the sale price of the shirt material? Each meter sale price is 36, and how many meter shirt he purchased? 3x meter. Good. 3x meter. In the same way, plus 2x is a trouser material multiplied by each meter. So what is the cost? 99. So same, if chocolate example you should take it, 5 chocolates I want, and each chocolate cost is a 2 rupees. And what is the rate? That is a how much? 5 multiplied by 2. You will get a 10 rupees I need. Same way, here 2x is a trouser meter. So this much meter I want, and that Hassan want, not I. Hassan want that. And this is selling price. Each cost, that one selling price. 99 multiplied by 2 is 198x. Here these two are the like term. 168. That is the 56 into 3 is 168, and 99 into 2 is 198. So that is 366x. You will get it. 36,600 equal to 366. Now we don't want this 366. So divide 366 both the side, balancing method. Divide by this. It will get cancelled. 366 ones are here. So here 366 ones are 366 what? This is 1 and these two 0 as it is. Means 366 hundreds are 36,600, and this one get cancelled. So x equal to 100 we got. So x equal to 100. Yes, x equal to 100 we got it. So this is not the actual. This we have to substitute what they asked. How much trouser material did he buy? Trouser. So buy. So how much? 3x is a shirt material, 2x is a trouser material. So since purchase of a trouser material is 2x, thus after substituting the value of x, we get it how much? 2 into 100 is 200 meter of a trouser. Yes na? 200 meter of a trouser, and what? Here, sorry, this is a trouser, 200 meter trouser here by here. Okay, one small mistake happened here. Yes, no. It's a correct. This is a 2 meters. 2 meters, that is a 2 ratio. 2x, trouser we got it as 200 meter of a trouser. Okay. Next one. So next eighth one. Eighth one is very simple. So eighth one is very simple here. So this is the based on the deer. So whoever like the deer, I also like the deer. Yes. Okay. Half of a herd of a deer are grazing in the field. So herd means one forest hill station. One hill station. So there some deers are grazing. Some deers are grazing. Some, how much deers? Half deers. How many we don't know. How many we don't means what we should take? That is, yes, right. Total number of deers are X. Total number of deers are X. Here, half of a herd of a deer are grazing in the field. So, half of a deer. So, half of a deer means X. This is a total number multiplied by 1 by 2. Half. So, make it half. Half of a deer. Half of a deer grazing there. And remaining how much remained? How much remained? This in X half went to graze there, so near to the herd here, and another half, so another half means X by 2. In this remaining 3/4, I already said how to write the 3/4. 3 by 4. 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby, playing, and the so here half went to grazing and half, 3/4 are playing. They said that in that half, how many are remained? 9 is remained. 9 is remained. And the question is that find the number of deer in the herd. So how many are grazing their herd? So how many are there? So that's you should find out. Half you should find out. So how to calculate? First you have to calculate half. Add these all. If you are adding these all, then how much should get the answer? It should get total. Total is what? X. Obviously it's a X. Total is X. So this is the analyzing a problem, analyzing the example, analyzing the question. Now answer. Here, let the number of deer be X. I already said, let the number of deer be X. And as per the condition, we have what? X by 2 deer are grazing in the field. So deer, so X by 2 means half of the deer are grazing in the field. And next, remaining number. So remaining number, directly you may write X by 2, or you can do like this also. X minus X by 2. X minus X by 2, how to calculate? Very, very simple. Here 1 is there. Total number, if total number is 10, 10 minus half means 5. 10 minus 5 is how much? 5 only. So X by 2 is the half means 1 by. So this is also X by 2 is also half. So how you get that? So how you know that? 1 and 2 LCM is 2. 1 and 2 LCM is 2. And here multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 2. And this is 2x. 2x minus x divided by 2. And 2x minus x is how much? X. So by 2. Directly I wrote here x by 2. So that is correct. So remaining is x by 2. Remaining is x by 2. And next, in this half, what they said? 3/4. They said 3/4. In that half only. 3/4 means 3 by 4. 3 into x is 3x divided by 8 are playing nearby that. Playing there. And next, what is, so how much is remained? 9. Rest of the deer are 9. If you are adding this x by 2 and 3x by 8 and 9, how much should it should? Total x. Good. So total we should get x. Total number of deers. Now based on that equation condition, that is x by 2 plus 3x by 8 plus 9, how much we should get? So that is a 9. Total number of deers. That should get 9. Okay. Now, so solve this. Here, these all are the fraction form. Fraction form. First, you have to make it like fraction. Then solve it. Here, LCM of 2, 8 and 1. 1 is not necessary, right? 2 and 8 LCM is 8. How I told? Just guess it. 8 is a multiple of 2. 2 4s are 8. So that's why which one is the greater? 2 is greater or 8 is the greater? 8 is the greater. So it is the LCM, or this is a, you can write like this and also solve in an actual method. So this is the actual method. 2 1s are, and this is 2 4s are, and this is a fraction method. So multiple by here means sorry, here not a fraction method. What factors method? Factors method. 2 1s are, and here 2 2s are, and here 2 ones are, and this is 1. Factors, factorization. This is division method. 2 twos are 4, 2 4 twos are 8. 8 is the LCM. Yes, 8 is the LCM. And next, here LCM 8, we got it. And here two methods are there. This is a normal method, one method we know that. Here 2 is there. So one method, which means that is a 2. So that method I will explain you here. 3x by 8 and plus 9. So this is another method, this is one more method, and both the method we should know. But whenever the solving, you have to use only one method. This is another method. LCM is 8 multiplied by 8 on all sides. Here also. LHS and RHS, all the side. This is a new method, interesting method. You have to learn this one also, both the side. And here I will do normal casual method. 2 is there, no, multiplied by 4, means 8 is not there, multiplied by 4. And here 8 is there, multiplied by 1. Yes, and here there is no 8, multiplied by 8. Yes, multiplied by 8. And this side 8 is there. This is normal casual method. This is very new method. So this one you should so this one also you have to learn. All the methods we should learn. Then only we can use the method which you feel easy, that one you may use it. So afterwards you only decided this one or this one. So this one casually, no, so many days means these longer days before that you will learn like this. Now x into 4 is, so this is a 4x divided by 8 and plus 3x into 1 is 3x divided by 8 plus 9 into 8 is 72 divided by 8. Yes, divide by 8 equal to 8. Okay. Yes, this is that previous old method, and this is a new method. Was little bit interesting. Multiply 8 on all the terms, here, and here, RHS also. So multiplied by here. And next, multiplying both the sides by 8 here, and multiplied, and I cancelled here. 2 ones are and 2 fours are, and 8 ones are, and 9 eights as it is. You can do like this also. This is also correct. Now both are correct. One method you should use, whichever. Multiplying both the sides by 8. This is 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 8 ones are, 8 ones are. Here 4 into x is 4x, and 3x into 1 is 3x, and this is 9 8s are 72 equal to 8 into x is 8x. So now, so we can solve this. Here this is 4x plus 3x plus 72. Now these all are the like fraction. Whole divided by 8. Whole divided by 8 equal to, and it equal to, it's a x. Sorry. Here it will not come 8. X. And x is there. Now here denominator is there, so send this side. This denominator you have to send this side. It will become 4x plus 3x plus what? 72 equal to 8 into x is 8x. Just if you have to compare this form and this form, both are the correct. Yes, this is the olden method. Means last examples, previous last exercise examples we solved in this way. This is also correct, little bit. This is, I feel this is very interesting and new method and very easy method. Just LCM how much you will get now, using that number multiplied by all the terms here, and both the side, RHS also, and cancel it. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8 ones are 8 ones are, and 9 eights are 72. So same. This is also correct and this is also correct. Which one you feel easy, that steps you may follow. Okay. This, see here, this is little bit lengthy. You have to multiply by the how much you have to take, that's you have to decide, and multiply denominator, write it and send that side. Little bit difficulty steps. Here directly you will get it, multiplied by 8 here. So multiplied by 8 on RHS also. Next step, one side make it variable, another side constant. This 4x plus 3x will become 7x plus 72 equal to 88x. One side make it variable, another side constant. So this 7x and that side minus 7x, transposing 7x to RHS. 72 equal to 8x minus 7x. How much? 8x minus 7x. Here x equal to 72. Let the total number of a deer. This is total number of a deer are 72. We got it, but they are not as total number. So find the number of deer in the herd. So that is a hill station. Grazing they went not that much. So hence the required number of a deer is 72. This is the total number of a deer, and here half of the deer. So divide by 2. So divide by 2, how much you will get? 2 ones are and 2 threes are, 2 threes are 6. 1 is remain 12, 2 6 are 36. Half of the deer means 36. So 36 deers are grazing there near the herd. So yes, and here I used here one method, here one more method. Whichever you can follow. Multiply the LCM, all the terms, LHS and RHS both the side, or otherwise do like this. Do like this. This is also correct. This is also correct in exam. You may use this one or you may use this one. Both the methods are correct. Both the methods are correct. Okay. So hence the required number of the deers are 72. Okay, next one. So next question, ninth one. Once again, age-related example. A grandfather is a 10 times older than his granddaughter. Granddaughter. Space will become here. So space is missed. Grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present age. Older than, younger than, older than. You know the word. Older than and younger than. Anger. If you are comparing daughter age, you should say the younger. If you are comparing grandfather age, you should say the older. Older you should compare. So we should say that older age. So now come to the actual solution step by step. Let the present age of a granddaughter x years. Yes, na? 10 times older. If it's a x means 10 times. 10 times, not 10 more. 10 times. 10 times means what? What? Multiplied by 10. Good. Multiplied by 10. Excellent. Multiplied by 10. Present age of a grandfather is 10x. Very simple. Granddaughter present age is x and grandfather present age is 10 into x. 10x. Next, as per the condition, here, as per the condition, he is also 54 years older than her. Find their present age. Older than her. They given that if daughter, that is granddaughter age is 7 years and grandfather age is difference is 54. They told there 54 older. When you are find out in the difference, na, you should get 54. Then if a granddaughter, assuming normal example means a different example. If a granddaughter age is 4 and grandfather age should be 58. 58 minus 4 is how much? 54. You will get it. This is the one example. Subtraction. 58 minus 4 is 54. Like this. this much older. He is how much, so how many years older? 54 years older. So that is when you are subtracting grandfather age and granddaughter age. If you are subtracting, you should get 54. 10x minus x, very simple. 54 it should get. 10x minus x, that is 9x equal to 54. 9x equal to 54. It's a yes. Okay. 9x equal to 54. Next one, 9x equal to 54. 9 we don't want. What we should do? Transpose or balance, whichever. So 54 divided by 9, transposing 9 to RHS. 54 by 9, 9 ones are 9, 6 are. Yes. 6 we got it, x we got. Then here our guessing is little bit right. I guessed 4 years, but here we got it as 6 years. Granddaughter age is how much? How many years? 6 years. Okay. Hence the present age of the granddaughter is 6 years. What they asked? Find their present age. Present age. That granddaughter present age is 6. Granddaughter present age is 6 years and grandfather present age is what? Yeah, 10 into x. So 10 into x. So 10 into x is 10 into 6. That is 60 years. 6 and 60. 60 minus 6 is how many? So how much? 54. Yes, right. As is right. 60 and 6. Grandfather age is 60 and granddaughter age is 6 years. Yes, interesting, na? Age related examples are very, very interesting. Okay, we should learn it properly. These examples will appear in 9th, 10th and competitive exam also. Next example, 10th one, last one example. Okay, so 10th example. 10th one, Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Here, once again, age related example. Interesting examples. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Aman, and 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Aman is Aman's age is a 3 times his son's age. Means he is the father of his. And I go and later means plus 5. Ago means minus 5. Before 5 years means before. I go, that is. And son says find their present age. So present is very simple. These examples are, let the present age of the son be x years. Present age is x years. And 3 times, present is 3 times of his age. 3 times means 3x. Simple, very simple. They said that 3 times, that is a 3x years. And next, 10 years ago, I said that 10 years ago means subtracted by 10. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. They given here Aman's, comparing Aman's age and his son's age. 10 years ago, son's age was x minus 10. Son's age is a present, son age is a x. And 10 years ago is minus 10 years. Yes, na? Obviously, you should subtract before 10 years. You should go back 10 years back. X minus 10 years. Next, and 10 years ago the father's age is, and obviously you should subtract father's age also. Why? So why, tell me now? If son is a now son is a 17 years and father is a 47, you should subtract. If you want to go 10 years back means, so 10 year also you have to subtract from son and father also. 17 minus 10 is 10. 17 minus 10 is 7. 17 minus 10 is 7. And 47 minus 10 is 37. Yes, you should subtract. Yes, okay. 10 years ago the son's age was x minus 10 years and 10 years ago the father's age was 3x minus 10 years. And condition based on the according to the equation, according to the question, as per the condition we have what? See here, see the condition, actual condition. 10 years, we should go back 10 years. So that time, 10 years, what is the father age? This is, this is equal, when equal? 5 times of 10 years of ago age. 10 years ago is x minus 10 multiplied by 5. That time these age are equal. 5 multiplied by x minus 10 equal to 3x minus 10. What? 5 bracket x minus 10 equal to 3x minus 10. 5 multiplied by 5. Here, now how to solve? Take 5 inside, that is 5 into x, bracket inside take it, 5 into x is 5x minus 5 into 10. You have to multiply by here, multiplied by here. 5 into x is 5x and 5 into 10 is 50 and 3x minus 10 as it is. Now, transposing 3x to LHS and 50 to RHS. One side make it variable, another side constant. 5x minus 3x and 50 minus 10. So 5x minus 3x is 2x and 50 minus 10 is 40. 5x minus 3x is 2x and 50 minus 10 is 40. Yes, it's not transposition. Now we don't want this 2. You can transpose the 2 on this side, or one more method, what? Balancing method. Divide the 2 on both the sides. Here transpose this 2 on both the sides, it will become divide by 2. Divide by 2. 40 divided by 2 is how much? 20. X equal to 20, we got it. What is this? What? That is a Sunish, present Sunish, present age. That is x equal to 20. What they asked, find their present age, both the age we want. So that is, hence the son's age is 20 years. And father age is how much? And the age of Aman only father, his name is 20 into 3 is 60 years. Yes, 60 years is father age and the son age is 20 years. Yes, problem is very interesting na. You have to practice like this example. Age related example, word example. These all examples are very important. This continue part will be there in 9th standard and 10th standard. Both the standard it's a continue part, and competitive exam also. So in competitive exam also it's a very important, interesting examples. So up to 10 examples are over. This exercise is over. Okay. I hope you all are enjoyed the class and most of you understood this one. Okay. If any doubts are there, any questions are there, just you have to comment in comment box. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Okay. Encourage me. Keep watching it. Bye bye. Take care.